Yo, cross. In it. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yo, that was bad. Yo.
The thingy. The air thing.
Yo. These cars, yo. Yo, that's crazy.
I've got a torch on.
Oh, no problem then.
You just said you could take your picture.
Hey, come here, honey. Come here, cop. Come here, I love you. Chill. Yo, that's actually mad crazy.
Isn't it?
Yo, chill. Yo, this turn is dangerous, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like, cars come out fucking nowhere, fucking come around here, fast, innit? Alright, this car they love. Nearly hit it. You still getting out of the car? That's how crashes happen. In it. Excuse me. Did you see it happen?
No, I just heard it.
Pardon?
I just heard it.
What, was it loud?
Yeah.
Where from?
What?
Where did you hear it from?
House.
You live there, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can hear it. You can hear it. It's just like a really loud bang.
Is anyone hurt?
Yeah, it's the two kids in the car.
Kids? Where? What, are they badly hurt?
Which way are you going? That way? Okay, just take his step.
In it, bro.
Which way are you going?
Yo, that's mad crazy.
You live at the end of the garden. Oh my god, right next to Ellie's sisters.
Yeah.
So it's you. Was it you two?
Yeah.
What?
It's amazing. What, do you go to... You still at primary school or secondary school?
Primary school.
No,
No, secondary. It's quite...
Oh yeah, which way are you going? Right? Oh, you can get round. I'll go that way. Get that way, go round the back of the bit. Round the left. Round the left.
I would not like to drive.
Yeah, I know. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Yo, that's that man who works at Chippy Chalet.
Yeah.
Mad guy still.
Yeah. Hello.
Right, I'll get there.
Hello.
Hello?
It's freaking cold.
Yo, just imagine if you got caught in the middle of them. Fucked. Yo. She got a baby?
Yeah.
I imagine the car that she was in with that.
It probably was. I like how everyone goes so mad with this video.
Oh, they're not going to come fast anyway. Yo, that's actually, yo. Yeah, I thought there was more feds in it. It's a dangerous corner, isn't it?
She's smoking as well. While driving.
Oh, it's dangerous, isn't it? This corner. Deadly.
It's a dangerous corner.
It is, it's deadly. Yo, I've had times when I've been in my nan's in it and I've nearly got hit.
Same with roundabouts though.
No, like this. There's no fucking. It's just going straight round all that way, innit?
What? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Why?
Funny. Obviously, that's not funny.
No, he's got something.
It's so funny when they went to crash and they hold the ball and then kaboom. Hold the ball, the ball.
Drivers up in that though, don't they?
I think your bus gonna have a bit of trouble fitting through there. Just ram it. I'd laugh if some fat ass car came down.
Why
I'd probably laugh.
Why didn't they just block the corner?
Bottom headlights are working in the car. Man, friend say major, put the side away and won't work.
Oh no, actually, I want to go into this car. I'm not keen to come in. You ain't moving alright then.
Oh yeah, bet that car was speeding.
Which one?
That one. The smaller one. You
I
weren't
don't
speeding if
know,
you had
you know.
children in the car.
No, you don't know. You don't know. Like, wait, which way do you reckon the car was going? That way or?
That way.
Do you reckon it was come up here? Because look how the way the tyres turned.
Yeah.
Which one do you reckon's in the wrong? You never know.
smaller
That one
one.
could be turning. That could be still. Yeah, more times smaller, isn't it?
Yeah, but the bigger one probably was the one with children in. This is everything.
Is it?
So that one's going. This one's coming round the corner. It's got the hill.
Yeah.
And they've just driven straight.
Is it? What? It just came straight across. Dickheads. Who's the owner of the car?
The lady leaning against the lamppost.
Hmm?
The lady leaning on the lamppost.
Oh, the one with the small car.
Yeah.
Yo, you know how we thought that was the lady with that? It's the lady with the small car. That's hers.
So the black ones.
Yeah. Right, she's got kids, hasn't she?
No. It's the other woman on the big car.
She's getting arrested.
She's drunk, isn't she? Right, drunk, isn't it? The thing is, like, you can't see the